Hey, you itchy and scratchy YouTubers. I know you guys, maybe you've used the Ultravate. I can't get this in focus, but this was the Halbestol propionate ointment, but it was called Ultravate. And you squeeze every little drop you can, because when you got those itches, it drives you insane. But a couple of years ago, the prices went up, and I don't have a love for the pharmaceuticals anyway. And out of desperation for turning off the itch, I reached for what I had, and that was good old faithful chapstick. And I can tell you that I don't have to describe the itch and how it drives you insane, but I have been using for the past couple of years. I've gotten through a number of winters and certainly the summer, and whenever one of my little itchy spots flares up, I just draw on a little chapstick and away we go, and free and clear of all the price changes and the gouging that the pharmaceuticals do. Now, I'm not sure about all the chemicals that are in here, but they can't be any worse than these steroids in Ultravate. All right, I hope it works for you. Let me know.